Hello everyone, here is Fiona from rongroup. There are several common international logistics and transportation. EXW as work. The sellers made the items arrive both to pickups at the factories and is not responsible for the products once it leaves the factory store. The buyer is responsible for transporting in from the factories and covers all export and import clearance and insurance costs. SOB, fee on the ball. SOB means the seller ships the goods to the nearest port and the seller is responsible for everything after that. One of the big reasons this is the most popular in the comp trend, use the export port. It's a good place to have the third parties inspections. Servers inspect the goods. CIF, cost insurance and fine. Effective similar to the ones approved in its past, the buyer will require the seller to take on the rest of all but insurance on the goods until the destination port. The sellers bear all costs of shipping and assumes the weight of the goods until the destination port. DDP, delivered duty paid. In this term, this means that the seller pays for and is responsible for everything. The seller pays all costs and receives all risk to the final destination. The buyer is only responsible for unloading the goods once they arrive at final destination as chosen by the buyer. We often get asked, why don't you get everything project DDP? We will say it's easier for buyer, but it's not the cheapest. The seller is the one to pick up the shipping companies and will choose the one they like best and not cheapest, or not almost reliable. If you want, I will suggest you to get the code for DDP from your suppliers, then get the code for SOB and code for the freight forwarders and compare to final total price. Here is Fiona from rongroup. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.